I'm Anna Eaton, Marketing Specialist here at Mraa. In this video, I'll be highlighting our significant innovation with our 2023 Impact Report, the introduction of Aimie, our AI-powered content delivery system. Unveiled at our Dealer Week 2023, Aimie stands for AI for Marine Industry Education, and it's a game changer for Mraa members. It's specifically designed to revolutionize how marine dealerships find solutions to their challenges quickly and effectively. Aimie taps into a comprehensive catalog of dealership-specific content, including online courses, blogs, publications, webinars, our whole entire website, to provide precise answers, insights, and best practices tailored to the marine industry. Whether it's navigating today's high interest rates, managing inventory levels, or even generating a social media post or job description, Aimie is equipped to assist you. What sets Aimie apart is its ability to not only answer all of your questions, but also link you directly to the resources that she referenced, enabling you to be able to explore topics in greater depth. Aimie also has access to specific, incredible Mraa member resources that other AI platforms like ChatGPT just cannot access. As highlighted in our 2023 Impact Report, Aimie represents a pivotal step forward in our mission to support and empower the boating industry. It's not just a tool, it's a partner in driving dealership success, offering unparalleled access to information and resources for our members. Thank you for joining me today to talk through just one of our many ways Mraa is making a lasting impact on the marine industry. With Aimie, we're not just addressing today's challenges, but we're preparing dealerships for more informed and effective futures.